the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Southeast New York: Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. In northern and central New Jersey,